Let's count up the valence electrons. And when we count up the valence electrons, we want to account for the fact that there's a -1 charge associated with this perchlorate. So we needed to add an extra electron here. We have 32 valence electrons, 16 electron pairs. The first step is to connect up the outside atoms with the center atoms. Now we'll complete the octet of the outside atoms, the oxygens, which means each of these oxygen atoms is going to need 3 lone pairs. Each of the oxygen atoms now have a complete octet, and we've used up all 16 of our valence electrons, or our electron pairs. The chlorine also has a complete octet because it has 4 bonding pairs associated with it. And now we can simply indicate that there's a -1 charge associated with the entire structure.